Hi everyone, meteorologist Ed Valley here taking a look at the Northeast. We have a clear sky here today. We had precip obviously overnight and yesterday. Not much happening here today. The week ahead doesn't look overly impressive, but there are going to be a couple quick moving systems we got to talk about. So as we head through today, a couple snow showers lingering to the north. No issues otherwise. But tomorrow we're going to watch a system approach from the west. And I tell you what, with these systems, there's just not a lot with them. There's just not a lot of moisture. That's really it. And the result here later Monday could be a period of freezing drizzle in parts of Pennsylvania and the southern tier of New York. But as it moves east, you're going to notice temperatures are really not all that cold along the coast. I mean, we're talking 36, 37. That's not going to do it for any snowfall, right? Maybe a little bit of activity in the interior here, parts of Jersey and PA could see some slick conditions Monday afternoon, Monday evening. And as this moves across, again, it's a very marginal situation, but late Monday night, you're going to notice as this stuff moves across, wherever it is at freezing, late Monday night, early Tuesday, could be dealing with just a little bit of freezing drizzle or sleet pellets coming down. Not a big deal, but something we're going to have to continue to watch. Further north, it's a little colder, a little bit of light snow possible. But again, really not that impressive, right? Tuesday does offer a few snow showers far north. Not a big deal. You look at the totals through Tuesday afternoon, here's the amounts, and you're going to see why I say it's no big deal. Ignore these heavy amounts in the mountains. Those are the model just incorrectly diagnosing things. It's a big problem the model's always had. But you notice it's a trace to maybe 1/10 of an inch. But again, if temperatures are near freezing, it could be slick, later, like I said, later Monday, parts of the mid-Atlantic, and then Monday night across southern New England and really all of New England except for the immediate coast where it's a little warmer. Now, as we said, Tuesday starts off fine, but another system starting to develop here Tuesday afternoon, Tuesday night. You'll see that here. First glance, looks like rain to the south, maybe a little bit of snow along and north of I-90, but as has been the case, all of these systems just continue to peter out as they approach from the west. You see that? For Wednesday, we're left with just a little bit of precip. And the total precip from this storm, again, out west, great, cool. You guys get some. But New England, this thing just fizzles. It's really pretty impressive. So again, we'll watch that for Wednesday. But again, that doesn't look like a big deal. Thursday right now looks fine. Friday looks fine. And then as we get into the weekend, we're watching yet another storm system to develop. This one could be a little bit more substantial. But first glance, looks like rain for most. Snow possible across the North Country. But you look at the GFS model here. As you head into that Wednesday, Thursday timeframe, again, not much happening. And then as you head into the weekend, there's your snow to the north, rain to the south here for the weekend. And it even develops into a bigger system on the GFS. And it's actually even mixed precipitation to the north. So all of this is to say this week the precip is not that significant, but that Saturday night through Monday time frame could yield a more impressive, more impactful system, but the type of precipitation remains uncertain. Okay, so with that said, let's take a look at those temps. It's a seasonable day, even a warmer than normal day today. A little bit cooler, more seasonable for Monday. Warmer though Tuesday and Wednesday, and even Thursday. But then as we head into the weekend, like I said, we're watching this system developing for the weekend, and that's going to create a temperature gradient. And as you can see here, it's much colder, 20s north to 50s in the south along that gradient. And then as we head into the first week of January, I do believe we're going to cool off. You see here just a random day, the 5th. Teens and 20s north, 30s to near 40s south. That is at or even a little bit below normal for early January. So we're going to get a storm eventually here that produces snow widespread. It's just a matter of time, I think. But for now, no big major storms this week. Couple nuisance systems, and then we'll watch that weekend system. So hope you had a Merry Christmas if you celebrate, and we'll talk to you again here tomorrow.